Fitness 160. Today we're going to be doing a complete leg exercise using the steps. So you need 3 steps. 2 of them you're going to double up and put onto your left, and then you're going to use a single step and put it to your right. And then how you do this exercise is basically you do a squat, and then you step onto the taller step, then you step down, you do a calf raise, then you kick your leg out in front of you, then you kick it to the side, and then you step up on the step to your right, and then you kick your leg, the opposite leg out in front of you, and you kick it to your side, and then you come down, and then you do another squat. Well, this is my exercise. This is the exercise that I created using my creativity. So I really hope that you enjoy it. So if you want to watch the next video and get right into the workout, you can. Well, Real Fitness 160, flex your muscle and be great today. All right.